Summer is finally upon us, and look who decided to make a comeback.
Money is deposited, we didn't get robbed.
Sit on the seat.
They're trying to intimidate me.
What the I saying?
Really?
I feel like we're her
millions! Y'all don't need to come with me, okay? Like my life just started with a
Is she really back?
God go with me.
Will she disappear again? Stick around, and you'll see.
It's just us.
This week on AndImShelby.
No, one seashell, never two, never few. Clack that tea, clack that tea. So Seashells, it's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. Yes, we're starting today's vlog in the car and on my phone. Screaming, crying, throwing up. But I'm doing one of my promos right now. And this is for Wendy's. I had to blur that out in the last video because I had to post that video real quick. So I am in the middle of doing it actually, and I hope I have enough space on my phone because I should not even be vlogging right now. But I'm heading to Wendy's right now. I'm trying to go to the one on Waterloo because that one is a drive-through. Yeah, I'm trying to go to the one on Waterloo because that one is a drive-through, you know. I really think I should explain. And basically the concept of the video is appointment Olympics, and this is not really an appointment but an errand. I decided to buy some ackee and breadfruit because every time my dad calls me, he tells me that he's eating ackee and saltfish and breadfruit. I'm a bad man. So I went to the shoe stand a while ago and bought a dozen ackee. Make sure I tell him something no butter ackee because I hate soft ackee. I like to see the shape of the ackee. And I also got a roasted and peeled breadfruit. Can you believe how much I pay for it? $1,500. I pay for the breadfruit alone. My father would cut my throat. But you see, convenience is a hell of a thing. I'll pay it. I don't care. But remember, last year I paid $700 for a roast breadfruit, so I kind of hurt. But whatever, we move. What do you mean? I just pay $1,500 for this. Crazy man. But the ackee them look good. The ackee look good though, so I am not complaining. After 3 right now and the traffic is disgusting. I knew I hated being on the road at this hour, but I honestly never expected it to be this bad. It's terrible. It's terrible. It's absolutely terrible. But besides that, I went to the bank earlier too, and the security was like, I'm so much prettier in person than in my video. I don't know, from the other day, honestly, it's the compliment I hear the most, that my pictures or my videos don't do me justice, and I am happy. Get pretty for real in a real life, not only on the gram. Anyways, I need to put this phone down and focus, so I will talk to you guys when I get to Wendy's. Bye. Some people are
Hello.
Everybody is being all type of bitches today. Jesus, everybody got an attitude today. Look at where the thing is, right? You can see? Yeah. So that is where the thing is. This person in front of me, like, them just need to go down a little bit more so I can go up some more so the person can hear me. And me a beep and them are going at the nonsense. I need a big car. Because you see, they're trying to intimidate me. They're trying to intimidate me, and I don't like it. Like, there's literally space for the person to go up. Now they want to go up. In a sense again, come you done ball out my throat already, you know. I was screaming on the top of my lungs trying to get my order in. She couldn't even hear me with all the noise outside. Plus, I'm far away and I wasn't gonna come into the car. Anyways, it's whatever. It's whatever. So I'm gonna try the saucy nugs. They only have it in honey barbecue and buffalo, so I just got 2 because I want to try them both. And Cross is Shanita finally answered her phone from morning, and the first thing is give me some food. You see, you know, black people. I'm home now and I'm going to bed. I'm sorry that I didn't really update you guys on what happened today. I finished my promo and then I went over to Shanita, edited my video, submitted it, even though I was not really feeling it because it wasn't my usual concept that I would do. So I'm not sure if I 100% like it. Honestly, it's just not my best work. That's the concept that they wanted. So I'm gonna try a thing. Hopefully the people will like it. If they don't like it, I don't mind doing it over. But I had to meet a deadline, so I sent it off today. Tomorrow or whenever, I guess I will hear the feedback. I'm gonna watch Sisters and go to bed. I just started. I think I'm at episode maybe 6 or so. Yeah, I'm gonna watch that and go to bed. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Oh, guys, it's a good day to be driven. Ooh, this feels so great. You know, I don't have to drive. Then the road is scary. The road is scary. You know, something we have to do? Guys, we have so many things to do, and we're not do half.
We're not even do half.
We're not do half of the things. And deposit,
ATM.
Yeah, we have to go to ATM again. We went to the ATM earlier. The Scotia one wasn't working.
So
Yeah.
I've got New Kingston.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's right there.
Mega just got away there.
But
the traffic, not traffic, never difficult.
no, not really. As me, I said no, people. So we're trying to go to one. We're trying to go to the ATM. The drive-through one in Constant Spring wasn't working, and then the line was extremely long. What's this video I drive still? So we're gonna do that, and then what else?
Supermarket.
Yeah. No, if me go nuts for it today, no.
I'm not going in.
No, but we're not going back today. But I go tomorrow. Go over this one. Can't bother going to today, but maybe I should.
I mean, you're right here.
Yeah, but
You're right here.
what?
I want to drive come this way if you don't have to. I don't think so. Well, okay, how do I get where I'm going?
If we can, you want to go to spread first?
You want to go spread first?
Yeah, but that makes
Okay,
sense.
how do you get to the
Go on. Say now, come out of the road. Oh, follow me. I'm doing a little delivery, guys. Since I'm here.
Yeah.
I didn't expect the road here to be so clear. So, but hold the line along. If the line long, right? If the line long, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I have the time for this. Don't have the time.
Oh,
for this.
Enzo.
Yeah. Woo! Hey guys, we're gonna go to the supermarket now. We're gonna go to Fresh Foods.
Wait, another one. Wait.
Why?
God.
That's one of the first times I've gotten through so fast. Like the guy's just like on. Oh, that guy was just like next. Love that. Where we go again? Yes, Scotia.
Yeah.
Need to use the ATM. Mission, have to be careful on the road now, cause I gotta deposit some in my account.
Some white rubber? Oh.
What do you think I did?
I don't know.
So, some cash, some dough, some dollars. If you don't see us, please tell my dad I love him.
No, don't say that.
Money is deposited. We didn't get robbed. We're going to the supermarket. Make we see if the security will tell me.
The grocery store?
I was about to say that, and I changed my mind. We're going to the grocery store. We're going into Publix right now. Yeah.
What's the other one?
What do you mean, man?
Walmart.
Target. Target. Costco.
Yeah.
We can't remember that one right now. But yeah, Burb. This is what I have so far. I don't know how I ended up here. None of these things are on my list, mind you. So
Not even get to the list.
we know we haven't looked at our list. So because how the hell am I end up with pepper shrimp? I don't know. But you know, it is what it is. Made it to Price Smart because Shanita found a rug that's like $6 grand. And it's a 5x7. Hashtag need that. I would have loved this if my couch wasn't teal. But my couch is teal, and to get a green rug just doesn't make sense. So I'm stuck between this one or show yourself. or this one. I wish they had this in this color because I like this color. I'm not sure good. That versus this. I really do like this, but I feel like this would feel softer on my feet. I really like this one. So guys, I've been complaining about my couch. I don't really like sitting in my couch because the back part of my couch, instead of having cushion or polyfill in it, it has feathers. So I wanted to put some polyfill, but I'm seeing these pillows now. It's actually 2 pillows in there, and I feel like this might do the trick. So I'm gonna get this, and hopefully it works for me. How much for this? Murder. $4,000. Boy, everything was expensive. Me can't with that. Happy birthday. This is very nice though. Our pillow.
No. When they call me, I just sit on the seat.
Imagine that the girl asked me to buy it for your birthday and then have the audacity to tell me, sit and not touch. Like, how is you cool? Is you cool? What? You know what? Yeah. This is what I get. This is what I get. It's alright. Here you go. Quick stop. Feather in there. Oh, I don't think I just was so but I feather in it. Which don't make no damn sense. Anyways, while she's doing that. God is good. All the time. All the time.
I pray to God it fitted.
It better.
It fitted, but actually it fitted. Yeah. Come here.
That's a cushion.
Yeah.
Come on. Well, that me a top boat. Yeah. Yes. No, people, look at the fucking look at the difference.
Period.
Look at this. What is that?
Now you have like support.
Exactly. That's why I hated the damn couch.
You know, we never realized because it never looked like this when it just got it.
Look how many
just
it up. But every time you sit in it, it just
sink. Yeah,
just sink.
Yes.
Yes. Let's do the other one.
Go to you there, Rob.
I'm right here.
Move that one there.
Yeah, can we get up? Yeah. Why?
Yeah, they were just running open. And they just walk right in.
At this point. God is good.
All the time.
All the time.
It's good.
Amen. He said, hey, Not me, girl. Not me. What the fuck did I do? I didn't do shit. Wrong person. Okay. There we go.
There you go.
That meant that book.
Oh, it's so
Yes.
much better.
Yes. See?
You don't know.
Now it makes sense now. You know? It makes sense. Let me feel this shit. Yeah. Yeah.
They actually have some support.
Yeah. Thank God. Because I was about to sell this couch.
I know.
Yeah. I couldn't stand it. Anyways, Rog. Bye bye. You piece of shit. Good for nothing. Well, you're good for the idea. I don't even know what I had before. That was definitely not a rug, but hey, we're just glad for the upgrade. Like I said, it's a lot of shit going on over there. Mind your business. Okay? I went on Wayfair and was looking for some smooth out. All of them look good. something, yeah. $6,000. And if I went on Wayfair, Walmart, all them something, they might tell me some bad $150. All them something for this size. Just about watch over this.
Just ignore this.
Just ignore that. Focus here. This cannot go back somewhere.
So
too.
nice. I can't wait until the TV
yeah. The vision is there in the people. The vision did it. Don't you worry. Yeah, just gotta see. That may I thought about. Yeah. Well, I actually can't talk to me now because your girl got a rug. Your girl got a proper rug. Don't worry, I know the corner still needs fixing and cleaning and all of that stuff. Just minding the business. Just minding the business, okay? Good morning. Where's breakfast? Lost track of time, but we had a ball. Bro, can these people drive up? I don't understand why you people have vehicles if you don't know how to drive them. You know what I'm saying? Like, anyways, good morning. I haven't spoken to you guys in quite a bit. I think the last thing I showed you was when I was unboxing my rug. I haven't done much since then, but tried to clean up the place. I finally brought up my vanity. Finally, I'm a vanity people, so I can put my hair products and my makeup in my vanity, and I can start doing my makeup at my dining table. Praise be to Allah. Praise be to God. It's been a long time coming. I know I look crazy today, but don't worry, that'll be fixed because my hair needs to be done expeditiously. It's the way how there's actually a reason as to why my head looks so dry, but I couldn't tell y'all yet, and I didn't want to tell you guys yet because I just didn't know what I was doing with my life yet. It's gonna make sense. It's gonna make sense, you know, it's gonna make sense soon. Yeah. You know, me hate vlog when me I drive it because people are staring. Or I think people are staring. Maybe I am delusional. But you know, delusion and consistency has brought me thus far in life. So I will continue to have my delusions. What am I even saying? It's because I'm in a good mood today. I don't know. I'm just in a good mood. Yeah. It is a rainy day. It's a really rainy day, and honestly, at one point I just got extremely busy, and then afterwards I think I was experiencing a bit of burnout because I just couldn't do anything. Oh, and my period came, so I guess that would explain that. I was extremely fatigued, I was irritable, I was very sensitive. I just kind of was avoiding everybody. I kind of still am avoiding people for the most part. I don't know, which prompted me to do something new to my hair. If you follow me on Twitter, you'd see that every now and then I'm always saying, oh, I want to cut my hair off, oh, I want to go back natural, oh, I want to dye my hair blonde, oh, I want to do this, oh, I want to do that. I have just been in this rut when it comes onto my hair, and I was sick of it. I love the bob, but you know me, I can't keep anything for too long. So I did do something new to my hair, but I'm not ready. I'm not ready to show that to you guys yet. Then again, you probably saw it from the title. Not the title, the thumbnail. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. But yeah, I'm going to just have a little fix up day. Since my hair is done, I felt like, or I feel like I need to do everything else. So I'm gonna do my brows, and then I'm gonna put on some clusters, and I feel like I wanna just do my makeup for no reason and take some pictures with my brand new hair and all of that stuff. I don't know. I just need to feel good about myself. My nails are undo. These are my carnival nails, and this is what they're looking like right now. I think I got them done like a week before carnival. Either way, I'm tired of them now, and I want to go back to my short square black nails. I can't do this anymore. I think I'm over the almond nails. It's pissing me off. And I don't like my nails this long. You guys are probably saying, Shelby, your nails aren't even long. I don't care. I don't like length on my nails, because I feel like I can't function. I can't pick shit up. I don't know. I just don't like it. I want to be able to fold a fist comfortably. This is not comfortable. It might look that way, but it's not. And I hate it. I need to get my toes done too. About a week and a half now since I filed the gel off my toes, because they were looking atrocious. And I didn't have time to go to the nail tech. So I've been rocking my natural toenails for the past week and a half, which is very, very, very strange. Very strange. Yeah, so we're just gonna do the clusters now. I might go on live. I might not. What I might do is a TikTok, because I do want to do like a self-care TikTok in a way. Or yeah, I guess I'm gonna say self-care, because it's not really a maintenance, since I already did my hair and I didn't film it. Let's just go do my lashes. Okay, yeah. I think I should do my brows first, because this is what they're looking like. They kind of look a little bit crazy, innit? So yeah, that's definitely what we're gonna do first, and then we're gonna do the lashes. I literally thought I bought a little alcohol spray, because I wanted to use it after I shave my eyebrows, because I will be using this razor. But I got this in my Gen X bag for carnival, and it's this all-purpose cooling lotion, so you can use it after shaving. So whatever. So we work your way. It's okay. It looks like I don't know, like a wispy classic. Like, I like them, but I don't know. I'm going out, y'all. Let me hold on. Remember all that stuff I was saying earlier about me wanting to fix up and look cute, and I wanted to take some pictures or do a video with my hair or whatever? So I did do that, right? The makeup is done, but my hair color is not showing, and I couldn't even show it to you guys properly today because it was rainy, so the sun wasn't hitting, so you can't really see it. But your girl got highlights, right? My hair is copper now, so my hair was dark brown before, so maybe that's why it doesn't really look like that much of a difference, because my hair wasn't black. It wasn't jet black before, it was already brown. So now it still look brown, it don't really look no different, but my hair is actually like a hint of copper with some blonde, brown, and some other color highlights, and it's like really cute. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. And I've been trying to get some pictures, but I feel like I'm gonna have to get some day selfies or whatever. But anyways, I feel like I look too good to stay home, so we're going out. It's Friday night, and I'm going to open house, of course, because the food is good. I'm gonna feel like cook, so why not? You know, why not? I'm not gonna vlog, because how many times am I gonna vlog with you guys at open house? Y'all have been there with me before. It's the same vibe, it's the same thing. Y'all don't need to come with me. Okay, I posted some pictures. Well, not posted. I took some pictures and some videos, and I don't know if I want to post them tonight or if I should just wait until tomorrow to take some decent pictures. I don't know. Anyways, I have to go because there's only 1 minute left of storage on this. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Or maybe I'll come back when I at least put on an outfit. I'm gonna find my outfit now because me and Anto are going out. Yeah. Good morning. I don't know if it's morning anymore or afternoon. I don't know what it is anymore. But I'm going on the road. I'm going to visit one of my friends. She's sick and I have some soursop leaves. I'm gonna tell her to drink some soursop leaf tea because when I was sick the other day, that's what I was drinking. Okay? So yeah, I'm gonna bring some to her. It's a cute time too because I want to come out of the house. I'm gonna take the big tote that I got from Red Bull because it is just so convenient and it can hold my laptop. Like the bag is just so tea. But yeah, I think I will talk to you guys when I get in the car because I'm hot and miserable and yeah, I just want to get out of here. Hey y'all! So I already finished visiting my friend. I'm leaving now, but I had to do a quick delivery. I don't know why I'm not getting notifications on my business page. It's very annoying because I always have to manually check it daily to see if I've got messages, and sometimes I get message from all like 2 days before and I see them. Like, it's so irritating, but luckily I caught the one today. Oh, it was sale. So I'm at eBay right now and I'm waiting on her to come pick it up. This is what she's getting. I never planned for this today. It just so happened that I had an extra one in the car already since I was already on the road, so it worked out. Yeah, I have this thing to go to tonight, some media launch. I don't even know. It starts at 6:30. I highly doubt I'll be there for 6:30. It's 3:51. I live very far from here. It'll take me about 45 minutes to get home, especially because I know it's gonna be traffic time, so God, he knows if it might take longer. I might get home around 5 o'clock, and as soon as I get home I'm gonna have to start getting ready. Yeah, I haven't spoken to you guys in a while because really and truly I was just trying to enjoy living in the moment and I didn't want to take my camera everywhere. I've been trying to, you know, I'm just trying to sort out my life, you know, just trying to make myself feel better. I have been feeling a lot better lately. Haven't been feeling so stressed. You know, little things might disrupt my day or, you know, try to disturb my peace, but it's not that deep. I get over it fairly easy as of lately, which is not bad. I just needed to take a break from camera, from filming. The sun is in my eye right now and I want to move from this parking spot, but I already took a picture to show the customer where I was, so I don't really want to move and then bugger confusion, so I'll just stay. Look at my hair, y'all, like ponytail. I don't even know what I'm going to do to my hair because it won't wash right now and it's looking very stiff. I'm gonna wear it out and about like I would want to. Okay, she told me what color she's in, but like I'm not seeing anybody. No, let me not come on you in. This feels so strange. You should come over here and have a look spooky over here. Good times. That's so funny. Girl! Soon talk to her. What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to the channel. I haven't seen you guys in a while. Oh, baby, baby, we belong together, baby. Can you leave me alone? This is so hard to believe. Come back, baby, please, 'cause we belong together. Anna, that's her off right there, so. Matter of fact. Let me out! No! Lock the doors! I'm gonna talk back to y'all. Why you know this song, Anna?
Exactly. Because I am a Jamaican, I have
That is
license
true.
to prove it.
That is right. Chicano.
I have my donkey.
She have our documents. So we're going to. Okay. So we're going to Active. Apparently they're having a sale, but you know we can't get no parking. So yeah, we'll take for parking up the road. And we decided that we're gonna come down here and see what we can buy at Jamaica. You know what I'm gonna walk on road side? Bro, this is the line.
But guess what?
This is ridiculous.
We can't park it.
And you see people literally coming out of them cars to walk into Active right now.
Because it's a sale.
Sale out on the things them. Don't need anything in here.
You're probably wondering how we end up here.
How did we end up here? I do not need anything. You see, on the love jam, you know?
What do you mean? What do you think?
Me not need nothing.
Me
not need nothing. But me I go in there and me I go see something I like. And then me go want to buy it.
And beyond. Guys, $150 here the other day.
Oh, the tiles and stuff?
Toilet in our face.
Wow. Guys, I ain't never been inactive. I love this coffee table. What's $119,000 one? This is an 84,000. I was not buying that for 88,000. 108,000. Are you crazy? And she didn't exist. Let's be so for you. Be for you.
Is it?
Why is it hidden?
99.
It's always been
9,000 just not the price.
Oh, I need one of these. This is only $5,000. Oh.
You?
I know this you're talking about.
I feel like we're her fucking minions. You try to help somebody and this is what they do.
And then take advantage. Watch her around there.
Thank God. Look at the princess. While her minions are just here doing the work. Her minions, clearly.
Fling it around, yes. It's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes. I am getting so hot. I'm gonna take my clothes off. Because I picked up a package from, of course, Request. Here's my package. What are we gonna do? We're gonna open it. Of course we're gonna open it. So y'all just stay right there while we do that. And it fits perfectly. I made sure to measure this perfectly. Now it doesn't match 100% with my bed frame, but I think I got it pretty damn close. Pay these no mind. These are my cluster lashes that I plan to wash and reinstall. But yeah, it's not bad. I feel like this would match like some parts of here. And this was my lamp that was in the living room. I have another one, so whoa, focus. Yeah, I have another one, so I can always put it in the living room. But oh my gosh, I love it. 10 out of 10. I wish I got 2 to, you know, cancel out, balance out, you know, the 2 sides of the bed. But you know, when I have so much space in the corner, so 1 had to. Low key, don't want that lamp in my room though, but we'll see. I thought it was a little bit too high initially, but it's perfect, literally. This is laundry that I'm going to fold and all of that stuff. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Like, tea, like, come on now. All right, y'all already saw the nightstand. Of course, I have another package. I already know what it is because I ordered it on Shein, but I didn't expect it alone to come. I had a whole order. Like, why y'all ain't putting everything in one bag? Why would I not do that anymore? It's annoying. It's pissing me off. I got this thing for my pots and pans to store them because they're just all over the place and it is driving me insane. Hopefully this makes sense. This looks like it can only hold my lids though, which doesn't make sense. Shit. Calm down, you're an adult. So this is what it looks like. And you can extend it. You put these in. Let me get 2 pots or 2 pans. Now that. Okay. Okay. Yup. Look at that. Look at that. It was worth it. It fit perfectly. Oh my gosh. I wish I showed you guys the before. Everything was just stacked on top and it was just so annoying. I love it. Down there is the next part to fix, but we're not going about that. Anyways, gotta go. I know I don't look my best right now, but we're gonna have to work with it. Okay, a lot has happened since the last time you saw me. I know. I have been in the trenches. It's probably been a month now since I haven't posted on YouTube, and that wasn't supposed to be the case. I wasn't even supposed to miss a week, but something happened. I missed that week, and then the next week, it's like my life just started was not 100%, but that and the fact that when I would do things that maybe you guys would find interesting, I didn't want to take my camera around, or I couldn't take my camera around, and it was just too much. And I decided, you know what? Maybe this is the break I need. Right now, I even sound very nasally. I don't know why, because I already got sick and got over it. So I'm not understanding where this is coming from right now. I have been filming this past, I'm going to say, a week and a half, and I never really gave any solid introduction as to what I'm doing or why I'm doing it. So this is me officially saying that for the past 2 weeks, I have been a dog mom, and I am in what they call puppy blues. I hate it. I don't. Jesus Christ. See what me I talk about? Sit. Thank you, guys. As I was saying, it's just really hard. It's just extremely hard. I got my dog as a gift. I love the puppy. I love the puppy. Honestly, there are a few factors that I wish, was my reality in order for me to fully love having the puppy. I love the puppy. I don't like having the puppy. And let me explain why. One, I live in an apartment complex. It's not ideal to have the dog here. That's why I started off saying, I've been a dog mom for the past 2 weeks, because it is temporary. It's not going to be permanent. Honestly, this just really breaks my heart, because it really did become so close to me. I felt like we had a bond, and for me to end up having to give him away 2 weeks after I got him was just not the highlight of my life, even though I was really going through it. I was really in the trenches, but honestly, I'm just gonna manage. Secondly, it has turned my world upside down. For the past 2 weeks, I've been wanting to go do my hair. I've been wanting to just get out the house, sometimes just go on a little solo date. I have so many things that I have promos to do. I have so many things to do. And for the past 2 weeks, I've constantly been around people, and I've constantly been having to take the dog everywhere I go. And it is extremely overwhelming. It's frustrating. It's a lot different than being around a baby that often, because I'm there with my goddaughter, I'm there with my godson just as often as I'm around this dog. And that's hard. That's hard. Like, initially, I would think so, but in a way, I'm more annoyed. I'm so much more annoyed. He doesn't like the crate. I've been trying to, and that's the thing. When you get a dog by surprise, you didn't plan for the dog, so you've done no research about how to have a dog or how to raise and train a puppy. You don't take into consideration how expensive it can be. Like, I knew having a dog was expensive, but I didn't know the extent. It is expensive. I had to get a crate last minute. Thank God for friends that I had to borrow a crate. I didn't know how to crate train him properly. Initially, when I just got the crate, he would go in every now and then. He would even sleep in the crate. Now, he refuses to even go in the crate to eat. I cannot have that in an apartment. So for the past week and a half or so, I have not been home. I have not been sleeping at home, because the damn dog will not stop barking and whimpering and screaming, crying, throwing up. I'm annoyed. I have to be cleaning shit and piss every day. My lifestyle, I cannot have a dog right now. It breaks my heart to say that I don't think I will be keeping him. I wanted to try my best to keep him, and it's because it kind of gave me a sense of responsibility. I felt like you know, maybe this is a sign that I need to stop being so willy-nilly, and maybe I need something that could keep me more grounded, and fuck that. No, I don't. No, I don't. This is the exact reason why I never willingly got a dog, and this is the reason I don't have no kids right now. I love seeing my god kids, and I love leaving. I love having my god kids, and I love giving them back. I love having other people's dogs, and I love giving them back because I have my freedom to do whatever I want, whenever I want, however I want. It's a big, drastic difference. I have not cooked in the past week and a half. My apartment smells like dog. I've spent most of my money right now on Lysol wipes and other cleaning supplies. I've spent my money on a dog chair car seat protector that he doesn't even like and he's always trying to escape out of. I've spent money on a whole pack of dog treats. This is my dumbass, right? This is like me in panic mommy mode. Bought a whole pack of dog treats, not even knowing if the dog would have liked the treats. Like, I don't know why I feel like it was a one size fits all. If me buy this, you're effing yummy. Thankfully, he's eating it now. When I initially got it, he was really eating it. But I also feel like it's not because he didn't like it. It's because it was different from his puppy chow. And his teeth aren't as hard yet. So I feel like it was a little bit hard to chew. But I've started breaking them up like extremely tiny and giving them to him. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry that, you know, this section of the video is so long, but it's just a lot to explain, and it's a lot more need to understand. I swear to God, like, and everybody, close friends, I should say, my close friends, they're like, oh, you have to keep him, it'll be okay, it'll get better. No, it won't. No, it won't. I do not have the time to train him. I want to go back to my old life. I'm sorry. I am sorry. And I low-key, like, some people were making me feel guilty in the earlier stages when I got in. They're like, oh my God, how are you gonna have kids? Oh my God, blah, blah, blah. I will be ready. I will be more prepared. Like, you can never be 100% prepared, but this, what could have helped me before this was me doing all the type of research that I would need. How to crate train. What kind of like behavioral patterns do, you know, this breed of dog possess or have? What type of schedule to put them on, what they should and should not eat, when they should get their shots, how many shots they should get, when to start socializing them to the surroundings, how to not get them to bark at every single thing, how to get them to just be around people but not be all over people. Like, it's so much research that you have to do in order to have a dog. And I would have loved if I had gotten the chance to do all of that before getting a dog. It would have lowered my anxiety. Like, I've had to be taking my ashwagandha so much more consistently because I am stressed out. I'm annoyed. There are so many times I wanted to fling the dog in the wall, fling the dog off a cliff, just fling him somewhere. And then afterwards, especially when I yell at it. And the thing is, I've been yelling at him sometimes. And the thing is, they don't even know what yelling means. It's just a baby. At the end of the day, it's just a baby. And I get so upset at myself when I catch myself being mean to him or anything like that, because he's literally just a baby that got taken from his mother and his sibling, and now me have him. And I want him to do what I want him to do. And he's not doing it. And it's just throwing me off. I am in trenches. It is hard, and I have cried so much since I've had him. I'm literally catch up in an argument with people over the dog. I've had to replace somebody else's rug because of the dog. Like, the dog, I put me in too much expense, and I take up the time when I need to just decompress and unwind and get back to myself. Like, the other day, I was getting back to myself, or I was trying to get back to myself until I got this damn dog. Oh my God. And the worst thing is, I absolutely love the dog. I love the dog, which is why I am so torn right now, because I cannot keep him. I cannot keep him. So now I have to try to find somebody that will be willing to keep him and that I know is not going to mistreat him, because, you know, why? I guess the person who I end up giving him to will raise him the way they see fit. Like me, I already have a specific way that I want him to be raised, which is why I really wanted to keep him. It's the fact that I was talking about raising this dog how I see fit. Like having a whole attachment already, bro. It's 2 weeks, girl. It's 2 weeks. I know I was in the trenches, but that was my child. That was my child. He knows how to sit now. Like whenever I tell him to sit, he sits and I give him a little treat. Like I felt so proud of him. And he started using the pee pad. Not at my house though, unfortunately, because I was barely home, but at the people in yard. He finally started learning how to use the pee pad. Whenever he needs to pee, that's where he would go. He found his little spot and he can't find his spot here. He's been pissing and shitting all over the place. And it makes me so frustrated because one, it's not that I want to go people yard. I want to stay home. I want to stay home and make him get accustomed to being bored. Let him be accustomed to just seeing my face every day instead of seeing a bag of people all the time and being overly amped up. And then by the time we come home, I'm still amped up. I just don't know how to chill out. In this apartment, you need to chill out. So it's taking a toll on me mentally. And if I had a house, if I was renting a house instead of an apartment, I would have kept him for sure. I would have let him free roam on my veranda while I go out and run my errands. But I can't do that. And he already hit the crate. I can't lock him up in the crate for hours. And by the time this video goes up, the dog will already be gone. But yeah, out of respect for the other tenants in the apartment building, I've barely been home and I hate it. I just want to be home. I just want to be in my own space. I just want to spend time with myself, and I have not been doing that, and it has me very, very riled up. There's some other little things going on in my life right now that I'm not going to talk about. And it's just a lot. Until I find a new home, well, yeah, until I find a new home for him, I guess you guys will see what I've done with him so far. And yeah, that's my baby. I love him. I will always love him. Yeah, this was my 2 weeks of being a dog mom. Do not recommend. I don't recommend. But yeah.
Where does the head go?
I got these for my baby. A little collar. A little toy. So, came to PriceMart to get Enzo some stuff. That one is sick. That one is getting there. I am recovering. Thank you, Jesus. Praise God. But they need to learn to up themselves and stop wallowing in the sickness. And I want to get Enzo a doggy bed. So I see this one. That's the price for it, actually. So initially I was thinking of the blue, but for some reason this one just speaks to me. I don't know why, but I like this one for him. Oh, he's gonna love this. Oh, he's gonna be so comfy. Yeah, I'm definitely actually like this one, but I can just see how dirty this is gonna get, and I don't know. And the thing is, I don't know how big he's gonna grow. I think he should still be able to be in this even if he does grow a little bit. I don't think he's gonna grow extremely big. I also need a travel sized thingy for him because I cannot keep taking him in that big crate. So there's this. I wish there was another color outside of this. Not really feeling this, but it's better than nothing. And then you have this protector for when he's not in the crate. I really want something smaller than this too. Like this is just big. I don't know. What a day, what a day. Next up. Hi! Oh, you're getting your first little color. My child. Sorry, my looks are popped down to the people. I just wanted them to think, you know? I don't know nothing about nothing. Why you gain weight? Oh. Enzo, you gained weight.
Any issues with Lorenzo?
It just pees everywhere. That's it. I think it might fleas.
Please, itching a lot.
Yeah. You're itchy. Oh, look at your little collar. Oh. Yes, you have a collar. You're so sweet. You gained 1.5 pounds. You were 2 pounds, and now you're 3.5. You get big. Ah, look at when I'm talking to you. You're getting big. Aw. Come. Come. Good boy. Good boy. No biting. No biting. Good boy. Hello. What's up? What's up? What's up? I don't know how many days it has been. I have been extremely MIA. Today's Sunday. I decided to take a little break for myself today. Kind of just be alone, be by myself, and be one with my thoughts. I really wanted to go and get a drink, but I got a drink yesterday, and I got a drink the day before. So instead of me going out somewhere to buy a drink, I'm gonna go to the supermarket and get some simple syrup and come back home and make a drink. Yesterday I went to this restaurant called M10 and they had something called the Appleton Estate Brown Sugar Daiquiri, and I got some Appleton, I got lime juice, but I need simple syrup or some other something, I don't remember what it's called, but they said I could also use simple syrup, so I want to go get some and try to make it here. And I've always wanted, or I've always thought about making a cocktail with brown sugar on the rim. Like, I've never had that before. It was either white sugar or salt. So I want to experiment with that. I cleaned my bathroom. Well, I cleaned my shower this morning. I really wanted to clean the entire apartment, but I didn't feel like doing it. Tomorrow, I'm going to go get my hair relaxed. I want to put in locks. I want to braid my hair. I want to do something. I just don't really want to deal with my hair right now, but I don't know, when tomorrow comes, we'll see. I am in a half and half mood right now. I'm PMSing. I'm not sad today, but I am not really at my best, which is also a reason why I wanted to just come out of the house. And it's also a reason why I haven't really been vlogging consistently. I've been thinking about just scrapping all of the footage that I have because I just feel like I've been sitting on it for a whole month and it just makes no sense. I literally want to post that video today, but I don't know. I don't even know if I'm going to include this in... I don't know if I'm going to include this in that vlog or this is going to be the start of a new vlog. I have no idea what I'm doing. I forgot my intro. Whoa. Run it back. I'm either going to go to Fresh Foods or Le Chousan because those are the only two places that I really remember that have simple syrup. Where am I? This is the outfit of choice. I don't want to comb my hair, so I literally just flung my favorite beanie on, crop top, and these sweats. And yeah. Let's go. Alright, so I decided to come to Fresh Foods. I don't think I'm gonna take my camera. I don't think I'm gonna take my camera in there because they're kind of weird about cameras, especially like big cameras like this. So I might record on my phone or not. And this person beside me parked so lean, it had me questioning like, can I drive? Do I know how to park? I was so confused because why you park like that? Well, they didn't have any, so off to La Chousan I go. I don't know why, for some reason I thought they just wouldn't have any. And I saw one of my seashells and I was like, haven't seen you in a while. And initially I was like, where you see me at? What was the last time you saw me? They're like, the vlog. I'm like, I feel like every time I buck up, you know, wanna just I don't know, like the comeback is just so hard. Anyways, let me just do what I do, and then maybe when I get home I'll talk to y'all. I don't know, man. Like, I currently have a bone to pick with myself. I went to four supermarkets. 4. And it's when I went to the 4th one, I said, Shelby, check the section with all of the syrups, like, you know, the strawberry syrup, the pineapple syrup, you know, syrup where you mix drinks with. That's all I'm gonna say. I could have saved myself the trouble if I had used my brain. Doesn't say simple syrup, it says plain syrup. So we gonna see what we gonna see, man. You know what, I'm tired, I'm ready to go home. Let's go home. Okay. Good morning. Yes, it's the next day. Yes, I found the syrup. Yes, I went home and I made my drink. And I didn't vlog it. You see, I'm sorry. It's just been so hard getting back into vlogging. I just got used to not vlogging every single detail of my life. So I may remake it today and show you guys. But yeah, last night, after going to 4 supermarkets and my dumbass not realizing that the syrup could just be in the syrup section and not necessarily in the liqueurs section. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go do my hair. The outfit of the day. I'm wearing these shades. I decided to wear gold today simply because, one, gold details. A little bag, gold detailing. And I just feel like the outfit looks better with gold. This is the bag. Gold slippers. So it is what it is. When my hair is done, I know everything gonna look tea and I'm gonna be like,
a hot new bombshell enters the villa.
you know, let me try to do a proper OOTD from head to toe. Okay? Okay. Glasses from Tori, earrings from Ana Luisa, necklace from Ana Luisa, bracelet from Faith Jewelry. This is a waist bead from Shein, top from Shein, bottoms from Pretty Little Thing, all the way. Slippers from Shein. It's time to go. My appointment is at 10. It's currently 9:23. Really and truly, I wanted to be there by 9:30, but yeah, that wasn't possible. That wasn't possible. I need my period to come now. Like, well, not now as in today, but expeditiously, because I am just annoyed. Oh my god, I need to buy pads. Oh my god, girl, you don't have no pad. How that makes sense? I feel like every day I just have to be spending money. I'm so tired of spending money. Can somebody just spend their money on me? What about my needs? What about what I want? You know? Let me drink some water before I leave this place. I realize I have not been drinking a lot of water. You know, I need my planner. I need my planner because I need to write down a list of stuff I need to do. I need to buy a bin. It's been too long when I haven't a bin in my kitchen. It's been too long. I keep on forgetting, or when I do decide to go buy it, they don't have the one that I want. Like, and one thing about me, if I don't see what I want, I'm not buying it. I don't believe in buying substitutes until I get something that I want. No, because then I'm gonna end up with 2 things and just gonna take up space, and then I'm just annoyed. So no. I'm gonna wash that and come back. I will talk to you guys when I get to the hairdresser. I'm not even gonna promise you guys that I'll talk to you when I get in the car, because I won't.
I really need somebody. Sierra, tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your life.
Yes, sir.
Let the way you touch my body.
Yes, sir. Enjoy your day, my darling. I appreciate you.
One thing about Cheryl is always gonna eat it up with my hair. My hair just, I'll never have a bad hair day when Cheryl is around.
She mentally prepared. For the roller set. Boy. Hey.
You know, I'm gonna take my ever do a roller set. We did?
I know.
Never.
Minimum, you make it seem like me a traumatized. You know.
What traumatized already?
You're gonna love it. Everybody love them rollers.
It looks nice. I just don't have patience.
You have patience, believe me. I've seen you. You have patience.
Same.
I know your color gonna look nice and bloom. Don't worry. Look at that. Somebody color highlight in here and look there. Eh?
You know, when you have to force it or try encourage it with the
Jesus.
I'll say you someone where you say, oh, roller set is nice.
Yeah.
Your shit went nice.
All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I
not the side I normally wear my side parts. I normally wear it on the other side, but this side has the highlights. So like, come on now. It's giving cunt. Cunty. What am I gonna do with the rest of my day? I have no idea. But I'm gonna finish my little transition in the car. Talk back to you guys. Damn. Alright, so I'm going into True Valley right now to see if I can get a bin. I was gonna go all the way to Asans, but honestly I am not in the mood. Luckily my hair didn't take as long as I thought it would. I only have a minute left of storage on this, so if anything you guys will see me at home. It's now 1:45, so let me just hurry up and do this and go home. I'm home. My hair is come on now. She's tea. Wait, let's try that again. She's tea. I love it. This was my first time I ever sat under the dryer and I hear just like yes, and it's because I don't have the patience for it, so I always get my hair blow dry and that's it. Anyways, here's the bin that I bought finally. So this is what she looks like. I wanted it in black, but they didn't have it in black, so really and truly I may spray paint it. But I also bought some stuff for my cocktail making, so I guess later when I make the cocktail again I'll put it in this glass. So cute. So I got 2 of these glasses and also got 2 wine glasses. Bought these for Shanita. And what else did I get? And I've got some saltfish fritters from Pub a while ago. That's all I did today. I just did my hair, bought these things, and that's it. My navel piercing is acting up. It's been swelling, and now this is the most it has ever swollen up to the point where the ring can barely move, and I don't really know what to do anymore, so can't bother. And it don't irritate me, so I don't know. I might put this in Word, but let's see if it can actually fit in there. I have one of those little 2-tier organizer things under there with my cleaning supplies, so I don't know if I have the space. Enzo, tell the people hello and goodbye, because I'm leaving your ass at home. Good morning. So it's I don't know which day, but I'm gonna do my nails and my toes. I want to try something new. I'm gonna do French for the first time. I'm gonna do a yellow French, which is why I have on this yellow top, because I'm like, it's summer. I need to go find a place, and then I need to go try and sort out my car insurance, because you know it's about that time. I would hate for the cops to stop me. I rebuke it in Jesus' name. Let me try to put in this address from now so I can spot the cops, because I'm really not trying to be stopped by the cops. Oh my god, today is so hot. Alright, this is in Halfway. I think I know where this is, you know. I also need to stop by the pet store and get one of those sprays, like to spray so the dog can know where he should not be peeing. Because you see, make him stay out for like 4 or 5 days and him come back and behave like him not having no home training. He's been pissing everywhere, like piss this or piss this or piss this, or like stay one place. First of all, first thing. Second thing, he used to be so good with his pee pad. Every time he needed to pee, he would go on the pee pad, and like if he would go beside the pee pad and not directly on it, wouldn't penalize him for it, because you know the area, right? You just never get it right the first time. You're still a baby. But when you come in my room and go up on my rug, or you go in the bathroom and you see my nice clean things, pissing me off. I leave, you barking and you doing the most. No, I'll be back. I got stuff to do. You're gonna have to learn to be by yourself. My appointment is at 11. It's currently 10 a.m. and the reason why I'm leaving out so early is because I wanted to stop by BK to see if I could get some breakfast. I'm gonna blast my music. Oh, also, this is my first time ever having Apple Music, so that's why every time, as of recently, I come in a car, music starts playing. I've never had Apple Music ever, and the only reason I have it now is because they gave me a 3-month trial. I gotta pay for nothing, so why not? You know, why not? See you when I get there. Bro, so I made it to the Burger King. Tell me why they don't have any hash browns. I want to scream, I want to cry, I want to throw. up right now. So they gotta give me fries. But it's fine because really and truly I just really wanted the pancakes. And I could have made that at home. It is what it is. So I'll just belch, thank God. I just finished my food. I was kind of lost. The map sent me somewhere in Halfway Tree, but it's literally not in Halfway Tree. It's nearer to, do I want to say New Kingston side? I found it, and well, I'm still on time because I came. I'm gonna just ask her to give me 2 minutes so I could eat, and it's 10:59 and my appointment is 11, and I'm ready to go inside. So I'm not gonna vlog the doing my nail process because yeah, just see it when you see it, you know what I'm saying? Like, should I do a transition though, a nail transition? So it's what they look like now after. These are too cute, bro. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And I know they're simple. This is my first time doing French. I have never done the traditional white French yet. Give me a little grace. It's summer. I wanted to do a pop of color. Come on now. And I got my toesies done the same. So I'm going to take one sexy picture with my animal foot. Sell it on our website. Some feed pics and stuff. I'm in Halfway Tree. I'm going to Hobby Hut, whatever the pet store one name, because I need to see if they have this spray. I'm sorry, I'm shy. I'm getting shy with this camera thing. I need to hurry up and invest in the small camera that I was talking about, but yeah, soon come. Ta-da! Passion fruit margarita, tropical berry margarita, and
Please, that's our all-time high.
One and never two. That the lady said. Right. She was right. Yeah.
This is the behind the scenes. But no one knows that I run this channel. You understand?
Oh.
I run everything that run here. It's just you never know from before, but now it's the exclusiveness. No one know, right?
Oh, not the hard one.
So what I have to say is that
Go on.
yeah, cut.
I didn't vlog, but I did end up going go-kart racing. I went to Portland. I took Enzo with me. Yeah. I just say go.
I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby.
Finally. I don't know why that little trip felt longer than it actually was. So I was there from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. Low-key, today doesn't count because I literally left out at 6:20 this morning. It's now 9 o'clock. I got here about maybe 30 minutes ago, I'm gonna say, and I have this KFC gig to go do right now, which is also the reason why I came back today. I was thinking of coming back today, but I wasn't like rushing to come back today until I heard that. So yeah, I have to be there for 11, but I want to leave. I want to leave up by 10 to get there 10:30, 10:45 ish, so you can see the pre-rush. So basically what's going on today, I believe if you buy a big deal you can get a meal deal free, or if you buy a meal deal you get a big deal free. I don't remember which is which, but yeah, that's going on today. And you know Jamaicans love KFC, so I know out there I go cock, out there I go pack. So I'm going to the one on Old Hope Road. See what the excitement and the festivity is all about. Yeah, I need to find my KFC hat. I know I have a KFC hat somewhere. You see, the merch always come in handy. But we're soon talk to I need to use the toilet. Eddie! So this is the fit. One thing with me though, I go wear belly skin. I love a belly skin, and a belly skin loves me because, you know, one hook up on the app. This top is actually not even supposed to be worn like this, but I decided to tie it up like this because I feel like this neckline is more flattering, and that's how I tied it in the back. Okay, I just got these jeans on. I put a little, one of my necklaces, I just, you know, got a little thing there. Those are the jeans, shoes. I don't know yet. I'm gonna have to get a different memory card because apparently this one is full. Ain't that great? Alright, I definitely have to rush now because me and Shami are going together. We're gonna carpool. Scent of the day, Coach Dreams. It's because this top is not meant to be worn like this. Like, if I bend over too much, like, you know. Give me a second. I to God. People.
You're joking.
You're kidding. You're kidding. Like, I can't see the traffic yet. Like, y'all see this?
You're joking.
Oh, Old Hope Road, guys.
What time is it? The time
The
is
time
11:10.
11:10 a.m.
And look on the road.
KFC open 10 o'clock. And
Oh, 10 o'clock
allegedly,
then?
and allegedly, people were out here.
Oh, by the way, who is that?
Hey!
She's a sight for sore
my
eyes. She hasn't posted in over a month.
Clocked my teeth.
Yeah. Where have you been? And when are we getting this? Are we getting this week? On Monday? I don't know.
Stay tuned
Seems
to
fair.
find out. Allegedly, people have been in the lines from 8 a.m.
Mrs. Smiley from 5 o'clock this morning.
Where the you know, so Jamaicans have to go down.
Across the road. Mrs. Somebody show them camping kit. Don't tell me say that that's the line. So how are we gonna get in the place to park in the first place?
Yeah. Oh my God, guys. The line starts from Jesse. Oh my God, no. Right.
Should I have one birthday at? Should I have one birthday at? Happy birthday,
yeah.
my friend.
One more year upon them. Next year we're doing it again. It's the fact that she used to hate this song.
I still don't love it.
Yes,
but
you're singing it.
I've gotten used to it. I'll say that much.
One busy
I know, because me I use it as joke. Eventually it just worked on me. But then I use it for your birthday. I said, no, man, I use it for your own first.
I told you it's a good song. Happy birthday, yeah. But nervous. All them people. Will I get any chicken? I don't know.
Happy birthday, Colonel.
This is the fit, y'all. Not too crazy.
Hey. I'm a burger.
We're here. Let's see what the Colonel has for us.
The way we move, skin on the skin. No separation, need no compensation, nah. On everything, it's automatic, going 0 to 100. Right, wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking you too long. Right before I just let it go. I like you hurt me. Only step it up if you just pull up and hurt me. Push the stone. I like you hurt me. Only step it up if you deserve me. Pull up and hurt me. Push the stone.
Hey. Yes, I'm on my toilet. Why am I talking to you on my toilet? I don't know. I'm finally done for the day. I didn't get to record like the last part of my whole KFC day simply because my battery died. But luckily I got all the important stuff out of the way. So yeah, so I went to pick up a package from Request. I literally ordered this on Amazon 2 nights ago and it got delivered yesterday. but I came back to Kingston today and I got it. And I don't have Amazon Prime. Clarity. More packages supposed to come today. So they said that if it comes by later, then they'll call me and I guess I'll just go pick it up or have it delivered. If not, then I'll go pick it up in the morning. We're just gonna go unbox all of that out there and give me a moment of privacy, please. Go away. Bro, my floors are literally so disgusting right now because it just keeps peeing. Keeps peeing everywhere. Alexa, pause. Don't come over here. You're the one who's causing all this ruckus. I also bought him some more dog food. Editing Shell here. Just excuse my appearance right now. But I know you guys heard me earlier in the vlog saying that, you know, I have to give away the dog, da 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 da. So I ended up actually finding someone to give the dog to. But they said that they couldn't take him until towards the end of the month because, you know, them have something to do before them can accommodate the dog. So that is why I still had him, even though I said I was giving him away. So yeah, just had to clear that up. I know you see this. You ain't getting it yet.
I got you something. Do you want to see what it is?
Look, guys.
Do you want to see what it is? Here you go. Do you love your new toy? Here you go. Here. Here.
Is it too big for you? Oh, there you have it, folks. You see him around there.
Do you like it?
Very nice number head now. So, yeah, I couldn't have gotten rid of the dog at the same time because I didn't find somebody yet. But when I did find somebody, you know, as I said, they have to wait a little because I couldn't take him yet. So I had to wait until they were able to. So in that time, you know, obviously I was trying to give him a full life with me, getting treats and getting a dog bed, all that stuff. I literally planned to give the new owner all of these things once, you know, I gave him away and all of that. Like, we didn't want to talk about it. It's just so heartbreaking. Can we not talk about this anymore? I got some flushable wipes. This is from the brand CONT. I normally get the, what's it called? Compact. I normally get that, but I have not been able to find it, and I haven't been able to find any other flushable wipes for some reason. So I'm happy that I found this. I was looking for regular wipes and book on this, and yeah, I'm sorry. I love flushable wipes, especially when I'm trying to do a number 2. I need the ass to be clean. Yeah. I know there's a lot going on, but just ignore it. So here is the big box. Don't know. Shipped with request shipping. A box in a box. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's the wrong thing. So it's something else that I was expecting. It's actually a new pot set that I've been expecting. And it's from gokarting. I think it's a three pan set. So they're all stainless steel. This is the next one. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. This big one. We have this medium-sized one. And then we have this small one. I've been wanting some stainless steel pots because the other pot set that I have, it's very delicate, it's very fragile. And apparently this one is laser etched with ceramic coating. It's actually oven and dishwasher safe. It is a non-stick pan. With use, the bottom may become slightly darker, but this will not impair its performance. I guess I will be cooking something tonight. Them kind of want to wait till them do, which I like. So anybody come in and just, you know, go to use as a weapon as well. Actually, no, don't say that. Oh. But yeah, I thought I was getting my other stuff. I'm going to call them back and ask them where my other stuff is at, because I'll be right back. Good morning, Jam World, and AndImShelby back again. Just decided that honestly this vlog is way too long and it's time to wrap it up. It's been a long almost 2 months off of YouTube, and I'm trying to get back into it, kick the summer off. I miss you guys. You know, I don't miss filming necessarily. I don't necessarily miss the filming and the editing, but I do miss you guys, and I do appreciate all the people that have been checking up on me, the people them where bad me up for them video. Wanna really bad me up. I can't even post. I go TikTok in peace without y'all on my ass. But hey, I mean wrong. I mean go well if I know. Without no little warning, nothing like that. So, but I will say that for the most part, since I've been away, I have been on Twitch. You know, your girl is a little streamer, and people that watch my streams kind of get some exclusive info that I will not be sharing on YouTube, or I actually just will not be sharing on other platforms, or if I do, it will be further down the line. So even a lot of stuff that I said in this video, maybe if I decide to include it, I already said that on the stream, but y'all wouldn't know that because y'all ain't add y'all girl up on Twitch. So make sure y'all add me on Twitch at AndImShelby. Yeah, I'm trying to get to 500 followers. I'm currently at like 150, I believe. So yeah, come get at me over there. What else do I have to update you guys on? Like, so many things have happened. I don't even know what to update you guys on. May I wrap this up? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry that I was away so long, but yeah, stick around, stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and all of that wonderful stuff. Make sure you comment our secret emoji down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Let's see what your girl has up her sleeve next week, you know. Make sure y'all stay tuned, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that, like I said. And yeah. Mwah!